Oh, hi everyone. If you're like me and you waited to remember until after you got 60 centimeters of snow in a day that your wiper blade needs changing, and you go to your local Canadian Tire or wherever you find your wiper blades and you have these Reflex Platinum and you think, oh, that's a good deal. It's got a universal blade system on. It'll be real simple. You'll crack open the instructions and you'll think, oh, I didn't realize I needed a graduate degree in wiper blade changing in order to do this. So after 35 minutes of confusion and trial and error on the wiper blade here, I figured I would make a video because I couldn't find a good one on YouTube on how to do this. Now, in advance, this is a 2017 Chevy Trax. It's got one of those push tab releases on the blade. I'll show you once we get out there. The Reflex blade comes like this. It's got this sort of universal, what they call a universal adapter system on it. And what you need to do to prep the blade for this push tab type blade is pinch this part here, and it'll pull upward. And then this side here in the instructions, it says just peel that off. Peeling it off doesn't make any sense. What you do is pinch this side, and what I kind of did is just wiggled it up until eventually it kind of frees itself out of this part, and then you've got this open system here. And then what you do is in the package, it'll have this little adapter for your push tab blade. Looks like this. This part here lines up here, and the arrow points towards it'll be the passenger side once we get out there. You just put that, line it up with the ridge there, push it down, and it'll click. Now, we're going to go outside and do the rest of this. So this is the type of blade. Like I said, it's one of those push tab blades. What you're going to do is pull this blade up, and these are easy to get off. You just push down and then pull the blade out. Real simple. You'd think it'd be simple to figure this blade out, but it's not. Then with this part here, you need to line up the blade so that it'll slide forward or backward, I guess, into the arm. And I could just kind of hold it underneath like this and slide this part forward. It's got a little ridge on it, but eventually you'll get it so that the tab pops up like this and into place. And then this part here, you'll know that you've done it right if when you push it down, it clicks into place like that. You'll hear it click. And then if you give this a little shake, it won't come loose. Anyway, make sure that you get this clamped down and clicked into place properly. It took me a couple of tries before it actually did that. Okay, good luck.